Imagine opening an app store and seeing an app you created from scratch without writing a single line of code. Now imagine that this app has working login, its own database, integrated AI, payments set up, and was published in just a few minutes. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this using OnSpace AI, a platform focused on creating apps with native AI, just by talking to the system. Deal? So let's build our app. Here we go. The project I'm going to create is an intelligent study planning app with artificial intelligence. It creates personalized schedules, adjusts goals based on the user's performance, has integrated login and database, and comes with an Android version ready for download. And what's even cooler, it will be ready for monetization. And all of this without an external API, without a separate backend, and without manually configuring the database. Well, so after clicking the link that's going to be down here in the description of this video, you'll sign up on the platform, and the first thing to do is type in the prompt, like this one. Create a mobile app called Smart Study AI. The app should generate personalized study plans using AI based on the user's goals, available hours per week, and difficulty level. The language should be Brazilian Portuguese. As a database, I will use Cloud, which is provided by the tool itself. And here you have the option. There's an option to make it private or public. I will leave it public. Once that's done, just send your command. Notice that from this moment on, OnSpace already starts building the entire structure of my app automatically without me having to do absolutely anything. I just need to wait a few minutes until it gives me my finished app. It's already finished, and look at what a great result. Here, I have all the features that I can view directly in my browser. So here I have all the menus working, responsive buttons. You can even notice that I already have some pretty advanced options here, which were created with the help of artificial intelligence. Well, the foundation of my app is already done, but I want to add more things. So, I'm going to say the following. Add an AI feature that dynamically adjusts the weekly schedule based on the user's feedback and performance. Look, just a few minutes later, it already gave me the result. So here I have the start menu where I can create my plan and set my weekly hours. The difficulty level, beginner, intermediate, and advanced. I can choose my subject here, Portuguese, goal, to pass the NM, level, beginner, and I'm going to generate my study plan. And that's it. I already have my study plan ready here so I can follow it and maybe pass the NM. Well, but there's still something missing for my app. I'm going to ask for the following. Add the registration and login functionality with email verification. So I want to create a registration and login screen here so that the user can verify their email to enter my app. Done. It's already finished. I have my login screen here, but first I need to create an account. So I'm going to enter my email here, my password. I'm going to register. It will send the verification to my email. If everything is correct, email verified. Now I can log into my app and access all the features that are available here. Look how cool that is. Now, something that is very important and a unique feature of this tool. The database belongs to OnSpace itself. What does that mean? I don't need to use Supabase or Firebase, so everything is integrated within the same tool. Before I continue building my app here, I'm going to activate this feature, the runtime scanner. What is it for? It's an automatic error correction. So what will happen here? It will analyze the entire app and detect conflicts between files and functions. This ends up solving a classic problem. The AI builds it part by part. Sometimes these parts don't communicate with each other, so the runtime scanner will identify the error and correct it automatically. And the most amazing thing is that I don't even need to explain what the error is, so this is a huge advantage. You can see that it finished the verification here and didn't find any errors. So let's continue here with building our app. As a rule, anyone who creates an app will sooner or later want to monetize it. So what I want to add here is a way for the user to pay for some service inside my app. And then I'll say the following. Add paid subscription in the app for premium AI features. That's it. Before you start, it will ask you to enter your Stripe API key. Why? So that you can monetize here inside the app. And getting this key is very simple. You will log into Stripe, look for your API key, then just copy it and bring it back here to OnSpace. From there, it will integrate with Stripe so you can monetize inside your app. Done, it's finished, and now the premium tab is showing up here. When I click, I have options here for the basic, plus, and advanced plans. The basic costs 5 reais, the plus is 10 reais, and the advanced is 15 reais. If the user wants to subscribe to any of these plans, just click the corresponding button and they are automatically redirected to the Stripe page, where they will proceed with the payment. So this is a very smart way to turn your idea into a real business. Well, apparently everything is fine with my app, but I can check it on my own phone. I have two options, for Apple devices and for Android phones. Then it will generate a QR code. Then I just need to install the OnSpace app on my phone. I'm going to scan this QR code, and from there I'll be able to see on my smartphone how my app is working, including whether the buttons, screens, and transitions work properly. Anyway, if everything I created matches my initial project, once this final check is done, it's time to publish the app. And how do we do that? Simply by clicking here on the Publish button. Then you have two options. You can publish directly to the App Store, then you'll follow the whole process here from Apple. You will need to have a developer account, and then you will submit your app there. And if they approve it, your app will appear on the App Store and you can start monetizing with it. Now, Android is the same thing. Just click on Publish, then choose Google Play here. It will direct you to this page here where you will find all the information you need to follow to publish your app in Google's App Store. And I still have another option. By clicking here on the little arrow, I can download the code, I can download the APK, and also the AB. So there are several options available here. Not only for you to monetize with your app, but also for you to test and use it however you want. Pretty cool, right? So, if you always wanted to create an app but thought you needed to learn programming, that has changed. Now you can literally have a conversation and turn your idea into a published app. The link is here in the description and in the first pinned comment. And there's a promo code for you to get 1,000 initial credits. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye.